सब्सक्राइब कीजिए स्टडी विद सर अमन चैनल को और नए वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए।
Good morning all of you. Let us continue the exercise simple interest. Question number 6. Find the rate percent. Find the rate percent if the SI on 275 in 2 years is rupees 22. What I have told you, identify all the given terms, what is rate, what is principal, then you can solve it very easily. Principal is 275, time is 2 year and interest is rupees 22. Now by using the formula for rate we can find very easy to solve this question. Okay, remember what I have told you before solving what problem. Read the question 2 times, identify the given terms and correlate the formula. Okay, question number 7 is very important. See, find the sum means principal, which will amount to, amount is given, time is given, rate is given. Now what we have to do, now put the value in the respective place. Check formula, amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r into t by 100. Whatever is given put the value, what is not given let it be there. Now 8 into 5 40, 0 cancel, 4 by 10 take LCM, plus it, multiply cross, principal will remain same. At last you will get your required answer. Calculation part you have to do it by yourself. Once you can see, next time you have to do it by yourself. Okay, next question, question number 9. When you read question number 9, in question number 9 two questions are attached. Okay, up to first part there is first question in which time is there, principal is there, amount is there, you have to find rate. Okay, after finding rate, that value you have to put in second part. So 2 times we have to solve. Principal is 6000, amount is 8000. Okay, find interest, amount minus principal 2000, put the value, rate will come. Now next time, principal is 525, amount is 700 and the same rate we have got in first case, that rate we have to put in the second time. Okay, now when you calculate, time will come 4 years. Before solving this, read the question 2 times. Once more I am telling you, this question has 2 part. Okay, solve it carefully. Question number 11, first you read from the book 2 times. Okay, now I am telling you, I am calling 2 boys. To first boy I am giving how much money I am not telling you, and to the next boy I am giving 900. Okay, at the end of the time they will return the same interest to me. The question is, for the first boy how much money I have given to the first boy. Okay, so for the first boy, let the sum principal is rupees x, according to question same interest means interest will be same, p into r into t by 100 is equal to p into r into t by 100 in first case and in second case. So in the place of principal you will write x, then you will cancel it, simplify. What is the value of x? 1200. So for the first boy how much money I have given? 1200. Clear? Okay, question number next 12. A sum of 1780 become 2136 in 4 years. Principal is here, amount is here, time is here. What you need? You need rate. For the rate you need 3 things: interest, principal and time. How to find interest? Amount minus principal. Interest is 356. Rate formula, use it, 100 into interest by principal. Principal is 1780. Time is mentioned here 4 year. So rate will come, rate is 5%. Now in this one more question is attached. Find the sum. Sum means principal. Check how to write second number. Principal is what? That will become means amount. Principal will become amount 810. Time is 7 year. At the same rate, what is the rate? 5%. Now put the value and try to calculate. See, the first line I have written for you, amount 810, principal into 1 plus 5 into 7 by 100, with 5 you cancel by 20, then take LCM plus, as I have done in question number 7. You can take help from question number 7 and try to finish it. Okay, remember one more thing, don't simply write from this. Read question 2 times, then correlate, try to understand, then write from the video. I hope all of you have understood. Thank you. Have a good day.